YouTube. This is Shubham from Programming Hunter, and in my previous tutorial we work on normally just get API that's written a good luck. So in this tutorial we work on post API. So let's start. So firstly we have an Eclipse. So for Eclipse we have some dummy objects. So just create a dummy object. So dummy object, just dummy Java something. Dummy Java. Okay. For dummy Java, just create up some property. So just create private string. There have some normal common property. That's a name. And private int. There have some version. So that two property we are right. And for getter setter, we use a lombok. So if you have not lombok, so I have already there is some lombok. So how to just type lombok jar, lombok, here is the lombok jar, and just click on there, you get that project and you just download it. I have already it in my document. So in my document there have some, that's a lombok jar, and if you imported it, just right click on your project on a build path and just configure build path. I have already it. If there is not, just means I remove it. Suppose apply it and close it. So if there is no data work, so I just create no data. There is no data. So now just click on right click and going to the build path. After that you going to the build path, add external library. So where you download the lombok jar, just click it and import on your project and just apply and close. So now after that all things are built up, just you have a lombok. So you have already getter setter. So mean now you have created object. Now for the sending object we need a post API. So just create a post API. So for post API just we return also a response. So dummy Java is a response. So some the name is get obj. And for binding a request object to our Java object, we use a request body. That's for only RESTful JSON object. If you have used multi-part for sending file or something, you use a form data. So you use a model attribute, there is not part of consider in a REST response. You use a request part for the rest. So there with the later part, that's also discussed. So now as of now just we just a dummy. Okay, now return this object as it from the. So now this is complete our now continue if it's works. So now just open a postman. So for I just what path, there is no path. So just sending a path obj, there is some no obj. So test obj. So just click on obj, and now that's a post part. So getting a post, if that's a G, that I already. So just click on name and version and now just send it. Oh, what the problem? Again we start from the. So they have some. Now it's downloading. Now it's execute. So start, just open the postman. Now click it. So we get the response. So after that we just concern about the database, how to connect database with the Spring Boot application. So we work on with Mongo. So for Mongo database, so here we also work on SQL. So we also work on SQL, but firstly we prepare for Mongo. There mean normal case. So thanks guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. So thanks.